Hello students, this is Anurada Dubey once again before you with the second part of the last lesson written by Alphonse Daudet. This was the first chapter of Flamingo class 12 and today we are going to do the short answer type questions which are frequently asked in the board exams for 2 marks. Actually, if you have read the text carefully or understood the summary carefully, you will be very much able to answer these questions because these answers are prescribed to evaluate to up to what extent your understanding about the chapter is. So we will proceed with the question one by one in the sequence they have appeared in the text itself. For example, the first question. The first question is, it is asked in many ways. The first one is, why was Franz so late to school? Or, why was Franz afraid to go to school? Sometimes it is asked like this, why was Franz interested to stay out of the school than going there? So the answer will be like this. Franz was supposed to prepare a lesson on participle assigned by his teacher, but he had not done so. So he was afraid of being scolded by the teacher. Moreover, the outward environment with the warm, bright sun, the drilling of Prussian soldiers, the chirping of birds from the side of the wood, all this environment was so attractive that he wanted to stay out of the school and didn't want to go there. Next. The next question in the sequence is, what was unusual observed by the school that day? So what was unusual? Every day the school used to be full of hustle and bustle with a lot of noise, the wrapping of paper, the chorus singing of the students. There used to be a lot of noise. But today it was all calm and quiet like Sunday morning. So it was unusual about the school that day. Next, what did Franz notice unusual about the classroom or the teacher? So what did he notice about the classroom? He noticed that the teacher, who used to be very strict and cranky, today was speaking in a very gentle tone. Moreover, he was dressed in a fancy Sunday costume, the special clothes which he used to wear on the special days like inspection and the result day. Then, why was he shocked so much? He saw that there were this question was asked in a different way in the exam CBSE 2015. Why were the old people of village were sitting in the back benches of the classroom? Right. So this is also the phenomena of the scene. If you are asked this question in the long question, so all these points will be covered one by one, and then they will be converted into the full explanation. But if this question is asked in 2 marks, you will write it like this. The old people, old and reputed people of the village like old postmaster, former mayor, old hawser, these people were sitting on the back benches of the classroom because today they have come to know that this is going to be the last French lesson in the district of Alsace, and they wanted to pay their respect to the language as well as to the teacher who had spent 40 years to the service of French and to their motherland. Next question arises, what was a thunderclap for Franz? This question can be asked simply, what was the news on the bulletin board? Now, the news on the bulletin board. On the bulletin board, the news was that now the districts of Alsace and Lorraine are under Prussian hand. An order had come from Berlin that German will be taught in the schools of these districts in place of French. And the new German teacher will join from the next day. Now, what was the impact of these orders on the public or on the students or on the general people? The attitude of the students suddenly takes a drastic change, as we have observed in the behavior of Franz. Initially, he was not interested to go to school because it was not important for him. But now his attitude towards books, towards French language and towards his teacher suddenly changes. He feels as if he doesn't want to get separated from these things. All these things are his old friend and he can't bear the idea of getting away from them. Then comes the question once again, which we have already covered. Why were the old people of village were sitting in the classroom? So I have already covered the answer, that because they wanted to pay their tribute or their respect to the French language and to the M. Hamel, who had spent a beautiful, remarkable and sufficient period of his life, 40 years, for the service of French in their district. Then there is a statement, will they make them sing in German? The pigeons to elaborate this, explain this statement. When French listens to the cooing of the pigeons from the roof, this idea suddenly gets into his mind. If the German are so powerful, if they are forcing us, if they are snatching our language from us and imposing their own language as a token of their victory on us, are they so powerful that they can control the nature? Are they so powerful that they can make these pigeons sing in German? No. This statement shows the resentment and dissatisfaction of a common Frenchman, that he is so grieved, so saddened by this. Next, what is the significance of French, that is the mother tongue, according to M. Hamel? M. Hamel gives a very beautiful quotation about the language. If a people are enslaved, but they have a command on their language, it is as if they have the key to the prison in which they are kept. Right? So your mother tongue has the ability to empower you and to get you liberated from any kind of bondage. Describe the how the last lesson ends. The last scene, the last lesson is going to end. This is a very pathetic scene. The teacher, M. Hamel, he rises from his chair. He tries to say something, but he gets emotional. His eyes are filled. His voice is choked. He's trying to say something, but his emotional outburst, it comes first. He turns to the blackboard. He writes in as capital as it is possible, "Vive la France." And he makes a gesture, dismiss the class, and on a very sentimental note, the class ends. So these are the 2 marks questions which are frequently asked in board exams. If you cover them one by one, you will be able to understand the chapter more completely and answer the questions more effectively in order to score 2 out of 2 marks. So with this, I am going to end this video. In the third part of this chapter, I am going to discuss the characters, the value-based questions, and the higher order thinking skill questions. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you. Tada.